What are you doing?
Well, we got bored. It's gonna take 50 hours for this pyramid,
Really?
and so we decided to stop the print in the middle. I didn't stop it at a good point, and
Stop it.
just stopped it. This was gonna be a pyramid, like the size of my fist, I guess. But so we stopped it. We're gonna remove it. This is, I guess, how you take it off, from what I can tell. And we're gonna do instead, we're gonna.
It's hard.
That's it. It's very hard. It's like it's a piece of plastic now.
Wow. So what are you gonna do next?
So now, what we'll do is a chess piece. I think that'll be quicker.
Perfect.
So we print file. Go down. The folder. We need to keep going down to print model.
I get it at that time.
That's right. And instead of, I don't know what Baymax is. There's a box or Baymax, a brush barrel. Here's chess. There's also the figure. I don't know what that is.
Okay.
FU.
So we will see later.
Pyramid. So we're gonna do a chess piece.
Perfect.
Okay, and we'll show it to you.
All right.